Greetings, my fellow foolish mortal, and welcome to the Scare Factor. Today we're following Christy and the crew from Team Teachers of Terror for a walkthrough of Fright Nights West Virginia at the resort at Glade Springs. Now this is just an abbreviated walkthrough, so make sure you check them out in person to see the full show. But without further ado, let's go in and get some scares.
I think.
Mayday! Mayday! Everybody's dead! All the troops are dead! Please, somebody, anybody, send in the troops! Send in backup, please, somebody!
Oh.
Please.
Oh, it's so Now leaving.
Oh, look at here! Fresh supplies walking in. I mean, are you folks lost? Do you all need help?
We need help.
You need help?
We do.
All
lots
right.
of help.
Uncle Ray Ray's going to help you all out.
Oh boy, oh boy.
You know how to use flashlight?
I do.
All right.
Thank you, sorry.
You don't want any shine to go with you?
We might need some.
All right. Make sure you shine it real high, like, so they can see you. I mean, so you all can see you.
Oh. Oh, there's something shaking over here, guys.
Whoa. Did we give us one flashlight?
Yeah.
Oh, right behind us. That did actually make me feel a little. Okay, I don't need that. Oh. Cabin. Oh, it smells like carnival.
Yep.
It's caramel corn. Caramel corn. Oh, it's the wow. Where'd you come from? Over there. I'm gonna just scoot this way. There's that man-eating chicken. She must have already got some.
Stop right, it's so cold. Come over.
Yay! That's that's good. Wow.
Welcome to the House of Facts. Have your tickets. Follow the instructions.
This is cool.
Oh, God, hey.
Ooh, look at that.
Frankenstein.
Oh my gosh! That's a lot of work!
Where's Jackie?
from. The sun moves.
Very nice.
Turn one. Someone.
This house is cold! And so is everyone in it!
Oh.
They're swimming in the bayou.
That's a good one. Yeah, that's a good one. Just shut your eyes. I gotta shut my eyes.
Alright, if you enjoyed that walkthrough of Fright Nights West Virginia, let us know down in the comments, and be sure to check out Faith and Brad's haunt walkthrough of Terror Manor Haunted House down in Roanoke, Virginia. That's Team Living Dead Duo. We'll see you in that video. I've got it linked for you right here. Until then, stay scary.